Welcome to Knec Tutor. This is another video about word processing. So we're going to do computer applications 1 practical, paper 2, November 2022. So the paper code is 1920/102B. So we're going to do task 1 as per this playlist. So I'm also creating a playlist about the spreadsheets and presentations, so you could check them out also in a different playlist. So let's start. So task 1, open a word processing program and create the following document as it appears. Save the document as stress in the Knec exam folder. So as you can see here, this one is this stress management is a text box. I'm very sure that's a text box, and then this one is drop cap, and then this one is columns. So let's write this is 7 marks, so let's get this 7 marks ASAP. Okay, so you create you open a blank word processing program like I've done here. Okay, so most of the times you'll be doing it in Word, Microsoft Word, and I'm doing it in WPS Word. Both of them are word processing programs. Okay, so there is no big deal about anything. Okay, as you can see, like almost everything here is the same, if not everything, almost everything. Okay, now let's continue. So Knec, the font is always times. Kama umekuwa ukiwatch hizi video, I've repeated that so many times, should not forget that. So, and then it's in the middle. Okay, so as you see, this one, to shade it like this, it will be pretty hard. So the best thing is to put it inside a text box. So you insert a text box, a horizontal text box here. Okay, and then that, and then we are going to put it a double underline, and then we're going to color it. So make sure it has reached, like that. So we're going to fill it and this, like that. Okay, so this outline, just remove outline, like no line, like that, you see. So now we're going to the next thing. So let's write. So I'm going to write the whole of this, and then we'll do formatting. So after writing that paragraph, now we're going to format it. So let's format it. So this is a drop cap, which is in insert, a drop cap, and then we're dropping in margin. Okay, So you can see here is 3. Okay, I selected 1. Okay, that's not supposed to be like that. Okay, so instead of that we're just going to write it here, so like that, because I've seen it cannot allow to us to do that, so we'll do that. So here we'll add the font size so that it can fit like this other one. So the font size is let's say 14, 12 is fine. Okay, so earlier I told you can put this one in a text box, but you can also just write it and then you fill it with the text highlight color. Okay, so like this one I highlighted it, so I can also write no color, see, and I can put also color, like I can put green, see, I can put any color. That is also another way. So there are very many ways of killing a rat. Anyway, so now we're going to write this section. Just write it normally. I'm going to write it from here and then here, and then after writing them I'm going to format. So let's write it. So after writing this whole paragraph, now we're going to format it. So first things first, you first insert a page break, continuous section break, and then this one is in the middle, as you can see it's in the middle, and then now you select this till down here, select from till here. Okay, and then insert column, insert a column, but first insert a column. There how many columns are there? Two columns with a line in the middle, so more columns, 2, then between. Okay, now we are done with that. So this one, just rub it. Okay, nice. So you see how it looks. So, and there should be at least one line, like that. So when you look at this one and this one, they are the same. Okay, so we are done with that. We are done with 7 marks. So you save it as stress. Now just save it as stress and we'll be done. Save as stress. Now that is stress saved. Okay, so we are done. So we go to the next question. Next question is B. Open a word processing document and create the following letter as it appears using a mail merge feature. So whenever you see the main document coming before this, don't write the main document. Just go and write the data source first, because you cannot add title, first name, this title and this first name, because they are insertions from the merge. So if there is no data source, there is no way you will add these things. So the best way is just go direct to the data source, create the data source first. After creating the data source, you can write this. So let's do this. Okay, how many rows? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 by 3. Okay, so first of all you open a new document, and then you insert table. This table is how long? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 3 by 6. So like that. And always remember, don't ever put a space before these tables, because when you put a space, the operating system cannot read. It will fail to read this data source. So always remember that. So save the document as stress invitation. So let's save it, stress invitation. Stress invitation. Okay, so we're going to fill that table. Yeah, we're going to fill that table first, and then we see what next. So after creating this data source, this table, save it. As you can see here, I've created mine. Yeah, so after creating, save it. So we save it. Now we go to the next thing, which is creating this main document. So I'm going to create it. So you open a new Word document, blank. Okay, and then and then you start the mail merge, and then you open the data source. The data source was called stress invitation. So open data source. It is okay. Then you open. So when you go to the insert merge field, see title, and then there is first name. Okay, so and make sure there is some space between this. Okay, so and then dear first name. Make sure this has some space between dear and first name. Then you write this. So we're going to write them. We're going to write that. So the all of this is in bold, and it's underlined, and it's in the middle. So it is bold, underlined, and in the middle. Okay, so continue. On. So you go to mailings and then you insert the date. Insert date. Okay. So the inserting date. Continue. Jones and Tones. Johannes. Director. So you see the director is also in bold. Yeah, and it's also underlined. Okay, so you're done with this. So let's look at the questions. See, you have done this. So you save the document as stress management. So the question is, match the trans management letter with the stress invitation data source. Okay, save the merged document as stress merged and next exam folder. So we are basically done. So what we are going to do is merge to new document, merge all. So you see, to Mr. John, dear John, we kindly invite you to talk on at exactly. Okay, so see, this one is 21st. Yeah, so the next one, Mr. Jared, the other one, Miss Noah. See, the date has changed. Yeah, so you save it as stress merged. So, and these printouts will be printed by your next supervisor. So anything you have been told, print out later. Don't worry, they must print it, because there is no way they will mark without printing it. So we are done with this paper. We are done with the task 1. So the next paper will be 2023 March. As per now, we are going to do 2023 March, and then later we'll do 2023 July. So thank you for watching. subscribe if you have not subscribed, because there is a lot of things that I'll be teaching in this channel. And share with your friends. Don't be selfish, just share. Okay, so I am Richard. I am the Knec tutor. Thank you for watching. Bye.